Hello and welcome. I'm Alan Thompson, the hardest working realtor in West Volusia, and I'm joined today with Derek Zakuna from Master Tech Emergency Services. So Derek, why don't you tell us a little bit about what you do?
Master Tech is a 24-hour emergency-based company. We handle water loss emergencies, fire damage cleanups, and mold remediations and testings.
Okay, so for our viewers who might not know what that is, obviously we know what a fire is, but explain where the consumer would need to call you at. When would we need to call you?
Pretty much any time that you're going to call an insurance company for damages, we're there for you. We handle small kitchen fires where soot has gone through the house. We handle emergency plumbing mishaps where a pipe could break under a sink, or you could have water come in from the outside from storm damage or rains through windows. We handle all those particular types of losses.
Perfect. So should we be calling you before the insurance company, after the insurance company, or at the same time, basically?
The insurance company is going to want you to stop damage as quickly as possible. Okay. So you would typically call emergency restoration contractor first, and then immediately let your insurance company know that you've contacted a qualified restoration company to come in and take care of the situation. That's
perfect. And so you're going to actually tell us a little bit today about how we can be prepared for hurricanes, which there's a lot of water intrusion on many homes during hurricanes, so that kind of fits right up your alley. What do you have for us for hurricane preparedness?
In regards to hurricane preparedness, first and foremost, safety. Make sure that you have plans for major damages in the house, going through and contacting and making sure that you're properly insured for insurance for your home, and property, making sure that all your coverage is up to date, making sure that you've gone through and made sure your payments are up and on time. So we've run into that in the past where people assume that they were covered and didn't up their insurance policies, and that turns into a major situation.
Yes, and sometimes people get insurance, but they don't check it every year. It's the same insurance that they got 5 or 6 years ago, and their home may not be covered for as much as it's worth today.
Correct.
So what else do you have for us? Anything that when we know that a hurricane is coming, how can they prepare their home in a way that we want to get you as much business as possible, but hopefully not from the people watching? How can they prevent having to call you?
Well, having proper board up procedures done on the house, making sure that you don't have anything where you have penetrations through windows or anything like that. Storing anything that can be blown away on the outside, in garage spaces. Stopping damages like that is a major bonus to what this is.
Perfect. So let's say we did not prepare correctly, or that incident happens. How do we get a hold of you guys?
We can be reached multiple ways. The easiest one to remember is 386-VERY-DRY. That's 386-837-9379, or 386-216-1227. And we're available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
Perfect. I appreciate your time today. Thanks so much for joining us. Did you have anything else that you thought that everybody should know?
Just that we're a small business. I'm the owner, and we go out I'm out in every single job. We want to make sure that we keep the quality up for our clients. If you need our services, don't hesitate to shoot us a call. There's free inspections, and we'll be happy to go out and assist you. So
perfect. I appreciate it. And you are local. I see you everywhere. You see me everywhere. So it's a person that you can definitely trust, guys. If you need, give them a call. Thanks so much for your time. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
All right.